My name is Dwight Stewart. I'm the founder of Igor. Only 5% of buildings are using advanced controls. There's a lighting system, there's a security system, there's a safety system, each one of those systems being end-to-end their own system. Igor is helping make buildings smart, and it simplifies that process. What we do is we make a unified platform, so that really reduces the cost, so you don't have to have that end-to-end for each one. And now you start getting some extra benefits where you can see a sensor from one thing can be applied to take action somewhere else. So for instance, we can have a bed sensor that goes off for senior living and is able to take that as well as a sensor in a bathroom and know if someone got out of bed in the middle of the night, but they didn't actually make it to the bathroom, well, they probably fell. We make it really simple. It's a single cable that is able to send power as well as data communication, and it can be installed by just about anyone. Igor is in 27 different countries, and we have been fortunate to be growing at 300% a year.